Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to install Wix Toolset on Windows. So, first thing that you are going to do here is you just have to open any of your web browser. Okay, and then you just have to search for Wix Toolset. So, Wix Toolset and a Wix website is a different thing. So, yeah, let's just focus on Wix Toolset. And then you'll be able to see this website. So, you just simply tap on this one and then scroll down all the way here, and then you'd be able to see this get started option. All right. And then here at the left side, as you can see, we have the Wix toolset. So simply tap on this one and you would be able to see here now the Wix V3 deprecated. So tap on the arrow and then you have the Wix V3 overview. So tap on that one. And here you would be able to see the different versions from the Visual Studio Marketplace. So we have from 2010 to 2022. So you just have to choose the appropriate version for your device. Okay, so for example, this one, so you just simply tap on it and then you would be redirected to the section. So you just simply tap on the download option to download the file. And then after that, you just have to install the software on your device. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.